बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। प्यारे बच्चों, अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। आज बरोज going to see the important question. Question now, chromosomes. Öykü şunlar chromosome, ayrıntılar chromosomes. Chromosome kaydın çasan, chromosome kayın ka discover, chromosome kayın wuch, chromosome kayın to now chromosomes, chromosome kaydın çasan, chromosome function क्या çasan, क्रोमोसोम स्ट्रक्चर मॉर्फोलॉजी क्या यह करो इंशाल्लाह आज जानने की कोशिश बड़ वंदो बड़ क्रोमोसोम क्या गो इन कर ऑब्जर्व फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम टुडे आवर टॉपिक इज chromosome 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 was first observed by Hofmeister Hofmeister. It was first observed by Hofmeister in 1848 in the pollen grains of a plant called as Tradescantia. Tradescandia. Tradescantia is a plant and can pollen grain of Mr. Gordon observe karan can thread-like structures on dogish. He called these structures as not chromosomes but nuclear filaments. Nuclear filaments. Yunchi now answer nuclear filaments. And Pachiwan in 1875, the Arthur scientist, now Strasburger, Strasburger, Strasburger in 1875 discovered these chromosomes. That means the credit for discovery of chromosomes goes to Strasburger. And he said that chromosomes are present in the nucleus of every cell. They are present in the nucleus of every cell. Strasburger chwana chromosome chasan iman now bisho observed kari Hofmeister in 1848 and so iman now nuclear filaments. This discover karan da iman sari cell hi nucleus mein asan. I am patao in 1888 and the scientist came into now Waldeyer, Waldeyer, who coined the term chromosome. The term chromosome is even nuclear filament. Those chromosomes were named by Waldeyer in 1888. Why? He says that when chromosomes are stained with basic dyes, when they are colored with basic dyes, like a dye that used is basic fuchsin. Basic FUSCHFIN, fuchsin. In certain basic functions die in chromosome gives He found colored bodies. He found colored bodies inside the nucleus of cells. He found colored bodies inside the nucleus of cells, and he called these colored bodies as chromosomes. Because the word chromosome has been derived from a Greek word. It has been derived from a Greek word. Greek word that is chromosome is made up of two words, chroma, CHROMA. Chroma in English means colored, and so this soma, SOMA, soma means body. In other words, in nutshell, we can say that these are colored bodies inside the nucleus of every cell, and why they call these colored bodies as chromosomes. What happens during cell division? Each chromosome is made up of two chromatids. We call them as sister chromatids, which lie side by side. Just like this, if you take a cell, as you already know that a typical cell, eukaryotic cell, it has well developed nucleus. And this nucleus contains hair-like structures that can be seen during cell division, especially during the phase of cell division called as metaphase, where we can see these chromosomes and also count the number of chromosomes easily. Most one cell in case of eukaryotic cell, we have a well-developed nucleus, and this nucleus contains these nuclear filaments, and later on they will call them as chromosomes. This chromosome is made up of two long chromatids like this. It is made up of two long, we call them as, these are sister chromatids, or you can see chromatids. And a chromosome has a construction, that very construction where the two sister chromatids, they are attached, they are connected. We call this point as primary constriction. After that, primary constriction. Yash के लिखा दिया अपना centromere. Centromere बनतो क्या primary constriction बनतो, which divide this chromosome into arms. In this case, we have a long arm. In this case, we have a short arm. And depending upon the position of centromere or primary constriction, we have different types of chromosomes. Like we have metacentric, where the centromere is at the center and the two arms are equal. In case of submetacentric, where one arm is long and the one is short, and the one is stereocentric, where the centromere is at the apical position at the top, or in some cases we have acrocentric chromosomes also. And in addition to this, on each sister chromatid, we have a long DNA thread. It's called as chromonema. DNA thread. And outside the DNA, you have a protein in the form of covering, in the form of capsid, in the form of code. Then one which a chromosome is made up of two basic components. One is inside you have DNA, that is nucleic acid part, and second component that is protein part, which may be either histone proteins or also non-histone proteins, histoprotein as well as basic proteins. And since DNA is negatively charged and proteins, especially histoproteins, they are positively charged, that's why I chalk force of attraction gasan imundon, which keeps the two things intact in the form of chromosome. In some chromosomes, in addition to primary construction, I'm allowed data construction. That construction is called as secondary construction. For example, Ettenhauer. In some cases, in addition to primary construction, we have another construction of chromosomes that's called as secondary construction. That's known as secondary construction. And part of the chromosome beyond secondary construction, that one is called as satellite, SATELLI, satellite. Part of the chromosome beyond secondary construction is called satellite, and those chromosomes having satellite are called as SAT chromosomes, SAT. SAT stands for sino acid thymonucleino. Thymonuclein, NUCLI, nucleino. Because they contain satellite or secondary construction. This was about the discovery of chromosomes, structure of chromosomes, and composition of chromosomes. इंशाल्लाह मैं तो ऐसी टॉपिक नाइसली समझाऊँ इंशाल्लाह जी इजाज़त दी खुदा सवाब अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातहू।